Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will teach you how to create this blur transition in a Canva. Normally the Canva doesn't have this blur video transition, but with a small trick we can create it. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Quickly closing this page. I already opened a new video Canva and added 3 video and already cropped them to get just for 5 seconds each, just for the quick tutorial. The first and most important thing, the page background has to be black. Is it because if you keep it as white, the blur during the blur transition we can see the white background. With this black one, it looks much better. And now just fitting the page with all 3 videos. Now the third one also. Yes. And now selecting the first video, going to the animate and scrolling down until we find the blur. And keep it as both, and the speed we just reduce to the minimum. And now we can do it for the other 2 pages, or using this small copy style button. Click on the second page, and when I click on the video, the style is already copied. And doing the same, I copied the same style for that third video also. Now it's already nice, this transition, but however that's a bit too long, but we do not want to modify the speed. And there is also a small trick. How can we reduce the timing in the transition? And go into between the 2 pages, add transition, match and move, and set the time approx 1 second. Scrolling down, upline between all pages. So now we decreased the time because half seconds here and half seconds here is also cropped, and made this overlay between the 2 pages. And now let's see what we created. It looks much better. Yeah, I know now this online editing is not that fast and not that nice as could be, but with this technique we can create a much smoother video transition. And it's really this blur, but much smoother without this match and move transition. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. If you're struggling anything in the Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible, or if it's a bit difficult, I try to create a tutorial about the question. Please check my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find a bunch of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus you can find lots of text to image or text to video prompts for AI tools for image and video generation. If you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. And in the description, you can find also the link of my Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find lots of short tutorials about Canva. So please feel free to check my Instagram and TikTok page also. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.